Our app needs to look the same on every device for two related reasons. One is that we want our members to see the same experience across devices, so it instills trust and confidence in SoFi. The other reason is that as a bank, we need to make sure that we support our members, and it's really hard for us to offer that support if we have a lot of different experiences. Meaning they call in and we need to figure out, are you on an iOS or an Android, or what version?
SoFi is a fintech that provides basically an all-in-one super app for financial services. Everything from banking to investing, lending products, and financial insights. We serve nearly 15 million members. It's an entirely digital experience. So if somebody experiences an issue with the app, they may open it up and find that they're having trouble making the payment they need to make on time. If they want to place a trade, buy or sell a stock, they're going to do that through the app. Those are often pretty time sensitive. And so we have the highest expectations in terms of reliability and security for everything we do.
Some of the main challenges with having native-only applications is that you end up having two of everything.
Inevitably, that creates inconsistencies in the app, not only in the way it looks, but we're also creating different A/B tests, we're doing different research, different implementation pipelines, and the process just becomes twice as long.
In our early explorations, we were seeing that Flutter had a better developer experience and a better user experience. So we did more expansive POCs from there, and we're happy with what we saw. And so then we gradually kept increasing our investment. What was important during the migration was ensuring that the app was secure and stable.
So we did an in-place rewrite where we had a standalone Flutter module within the native context that we were migrating native code into. So as features would get written in Flutter, then we could feature flag them and start shutting down the native features.
It's been very flexible, and it's been allowing us to work in every level of detail that we needed, from updating our components in a larger set to really narrowing down into motion and animation.
One of the big productivity gains that we've seen with Flutter is using example apps. Teams can develop code in a package that's related to their features or their areas and test locally. This also has sped up CI. We can target builds just for that one package, or target tests. There's that one package, and also run screenshot tests. And that means that the whole time to iterate on development, on code review, on builds has been shortened dramatically. So spread that across the entire organization and you get a lot of velocity improvements. That is something unique to Flutter.
Prior to the migration, a lot of our mobile core, their time was spent on debugging crashes. Now our mobile core team is building tools and systems that make the whole organization more effective. And what was satisfying is in the middle of that migration, we could delete 1 million lines of code. Overall, a 60% reduction on a feature per feature, apples to apples comparison.
We are contributors to the Flutter codebase, somewhere nearing about 150. Given our growth, we think we'll definitely surpass 200 by the end of the year. Using Flutter for us has been exceptional. We've been adding more features or moving at breakneck speeds. It's a perfect platform for building a super app.